In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Mecha Chameleon game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are inside the store page, click on the search box. And now you can type in Mecha Chameleon to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart to proceed with your purchase. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now, you may use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and once you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Mecha Chameleon game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Mecha Chameleon. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.